Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody with Forlisa. This is Forlisa. So in this video, I'm taking part in a Christmas centerpiece DIY challenge that's hosted by Jessica at Measure and Mix and Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic. So I am basically creating a simple centerpiece. But before I move on, if you have not stopped by Jessica or Antoinette's channel, please do so. Their link is below, as well as the playlist to the other participants in the challenge. So basically I'm just adding some snow. I've had this snow for a few years. I think this may be the last time I'll get some use out of the snow because it's starting to change a little yellow looking color. So anyway, I put on my snow in my centerpiece. My centerpiece actually is a vase that I purchased from Zgallerie. So I'm going to be taking this deer that I purchased from Home Goods. It was $12.99 actually. I saw this setup in Zgallerie, but their deer is like 3 times the price of this particular deer, and it serves the same purpose. So I'm just going to take my deer and set it in the middle of my Ellipse Vase. That's the name of this vase, Ellipse Vase. And I purchased it last year. It was around 80 bucks from Zgallerie. I think I had $25 off or 25% off. So isn't this adorable, you guys? So as I looked at my deer as it sat in the vase, I'm like, you know what? I need to glam up this deer. I need to do something to this deer just to make it pop a little. So you guys, I always say this. I always do the most or do extra stuff when things probably don't even need it. But anyway, I'm going to glam up my deer. So I did this off camera. Basically all I did was add a Totally Dazzled brooch around her neck, and I used some teal suede like ribbon. I just took the actual brooch and pinned it through the ribbon because it's kind of suede, and then I just hot glued it to the back. I didn't hot glue it to the deer itself. I just hot glued it on top of the ribbon. So I also did the same for my other 2 deer. I think that made it like pop even more because it was already glamorous looking. So anyway, I'm going to add a couple of small trees